a cold day on the course, it's good to be home. Welcome to Linkside Lane at Boulder Creek. Take a look. Now, I think you found the perfect fit here if you're looking for main floor living with enough space for friends and family to come, stay and visit a while, and be close to everything. We're like 10 minutes north of downtown Grand Rapids. You're surrounded by golf courses, and you've got 4 total bedrooms here, all under $500,000. Hey, thanks for coming with me to tour 5863 Linkside Lane in Belmont. If you want to see it for yourself, I'm Justin Moorehead. Give me a call.